Tiger, the dangerous wild animals and species. Meet the tiger, the epitome of raw power and grace in the wild. Known for their striking stripes and fierce eyes, tigers are among the most dangerous animals on Earth. Their strength and speed make them unrivaled predators. They're a critical part of our ecosystem, maintaining balance by controlling prey populations. Unfortunately, tigers are now endangered. Poaching and habitat loss have caused their numbers to dwindle. It's our duty to protect these majestic beasts. Let's unite to save the tiger, preserve the wild, and uphold the balance.